Hello guys, I have to say it. We got the 4 new iPhones and we are going to review and unbox each of them. I'm sure you've already watched some of them, especially I did this one. So I'm just going to start now with the main deal. The phone that people are going to purchase more is the iPhone 13, the normal one. So let me set this aside and I'll be back. So let's unbox this new iPhone, the iPhone 13. You have it in blue, which is my favorite color, but I swear this blue is even more beautiful. Alright, so as usual, in the box you get the iPhone itself. Of course, it's reversed because of the cameras, I think. And we are going to remove the paper. Alright, look at this black. This is just beautiful. And we have the blue surrounding it. I hope you can see this. This is really beautiful. It's reflecting everything and it's just clean. I think as I get my fingers into it, it will not be this clean anymore. Alright, so at the back you have 2 cameras as in the mini. You also have the blue aluminium around it, surrounding it. So this is the old iPhone 5 design. They maintain except from the fact that it's glass behind and it was aluminium at that time, I think. And yeah, so this is what we get from the iPhone. We also have the normal Lightning to USB Type-C cable. We have the manual, the sticker, and the SIM removal tool in the box. No power break. Stop expecting it. 1 second. Alright. So we are going to turn on our new iPhone 13 and see how it goes. You have to set it up and then I'm just going to give you my first impression about what you can do with this iPhone from my own personal use of 5 minutes, and of course what Apple has released on during the Apple event and in their ads. So when you turn on the device, it starts saying hello in different languages, which is I think good for all cultures. Yeah, so I'm just going to set it up. You connect to the Wi-Fi and you do everything else you have to do to set up your iPhone. You have to of course enter your details, your Apple ID and everything to be able to set it up and start installing all the wonderful apps that you can use on this iPhone. Alright, so my iPhone is set up. Now I can access all the apps, start taking pictures and install all the social media and everything that I usually use. So this iPhone, basically I think the difference between this iPhone and the mini is mainly the size of the screen and the battery life, of course. So if you don't need a bigger screen, or if you like smaller screen like I used to once upon a time, I think you should really go for the mini. But if you want a big screen or a normal size screen, as we can say right now, this is the average size of a screen for a smartphone, you should really get this one. This one is really good as well. And I think the blue color is perfect. It's actually color matching the iMac we use for editing and it's wonderful. So I'm sure this or the 13 Pro Max, sorry, is going to be my target. The 13 Pro, I mean, not the 13 Pro Max. I don't really need the 13 Pro Max. I just need the 13 Pro. So I don't see much difference in the design between this one and the iPhone 12. I think Apple did only change the sides of the cameras. They put it on the opposite side to make it look different. So one thing a lot of people must be wondering is why is Apple always making these slight changes in their design? Well, it's a marketing play. So the first thing you should notice is that on Instagram or on any social media, people take pictures like this in front of the mirror. They show the Apple logo, they show they have the newest iPhone. So to be able to say that you have the newest iPhone, you must get the design. They never change the facial design, but they always change the back design because people tend to show it in their pictures and in their content. So once you show it, it means you have the latest one. You are the richest man in the world, or you are the most upgraded man in the world. You have the best phones in the world. So this is a power play, a marketing play, from Apple to make people buy their new phones. It's a design play. Yeah. So don't get fooled by that. Don't get fooled by that. Get what you need. Right now, I'm sure the prices of the iPhone 12s are decreasing. So instead of getting this iPhone, I think you should get an iPhone 12 Pro used or brand new at a reduced price. And remember that Black Friday is also coming. So all the shops are going to liquidate the old stocks of iPhone 12s they have, and it's a good time for you to enjoy the best pricing on those iPhone 12s And also on the iPhone 13's accessories, of course, you're going to get best prices on cases and screen protectors and other stuff that you might need for your new iPhone 13. The specs are basically the same. We have the same cameras as on all the iPhones of this lineup. We also have the A15 Pro Bionic. We also have a bigger screen, of course, the 1080p display, and well, everything you can expect from this iPhone 13 lineup. Make this clear in your mind. The mini and this one are the same. Only the size of the phone, the battery, and the screen and the display are different. So if you don't need a bigger screen, get it. Alright, that's it for me, guys. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have any question or if you want to say something about what we are doing, if you have any correction or any input you want to give me, please feel free to put it in the comment section. Hit the subscribe button and make sure to hit the notification bell to get the review of this iPhone. And my name is Kevin. This was Mr. Boko, and I'll see you in the next one.